Are you looking for the best 3D printer for FDM? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer for FDM on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. BIQU B1 FDM 3D printer. The BIQU B1 and the Creality Ender 3 V2 are both popular FDM 3D printers, but they cater to slightly different needs. The BIQU B1 offers a build volume of 235 by 235 by 270 mm, a removable spring steel magnetic bed, SKR version 1. For 32-bit motherboard, 3.5-inch color touchscreen with dual UI, and filament runout detection, supporting a wide range of filaments including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and wood PLA. Its features like easy print removal, filament detection, and dual UI make it convenient for long prints and versatile projects. In comparison, the Ender 3 V2 has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, a carborundum glass bed, 32-bit version 4.2.7 motherboard with TMC2208 silent drivers, and a 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen. It emphasizes quiet operation, excellent adhesion, and modular design for future upgrades. Overall, the BIQU B1 is ideal for users who want versatility, easy print removal, and filament monitoring, while the Ender 3 V2 suits those looking for quiet, reliable printing with upgrade potential and a premium glass bed surface. Number 2. Artillery Sidewinder X1 3D printer. The Artillery Sidewinder X1 V4 is a large-format FDM 3D printer that offers a compelling blend of performance, ease of use, and value. With a spacious build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, it caters to users seeking to print sizable models without compromising on detail. The printer features a Titan-style direct drive extruder, enabling reliable extrusion of flexible filaments like TPU and PLA. Its ultra-quiet stepper drivers and synchronized dual Z-axis system contribute to a smooth and silent printing experience, making it suitable for home or office environments. Number 3. Official Creality Ender 3 V2. The Creality Ender 3 V2 is a compact and reliable FDM 3D printer with a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, approximately 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of printing projects. It features a silent 32-bit motherboard with TMC2208 stepper drivers, ensuring quiet operation, and a carborundum glass heated bed that improves adhesion and allows easy print removal. The printer includes a resume printing function, which safeguards against power outages or filament runouts by continuing from the last recorded position. A 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen with an updated UI simplifies operation for both beginners and experienced users. Additionally, the Ender 3 V2 is equipped with a UL-certified branded power supply for stable and safe printing, making it a popular choice for those seeking an affordable, user-friendly, and reliable 3D printer. Number 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a compact and beginner-friendly FDM printer with a fully enclosed frame that provides a safe and controlled printing environment, ideal for temperature-sensitive materials like ABS. It has a build volume of 150 by 150 by 150 mm, a removable heated build plate for easy print removal, and a 2.8-inch touchscreen interface for intuitive control. The printer features assisted auto bed leveling to improve print accuracy, a quick-change nozzle system for easy nozzle swaps, and supports flexible connectivity options including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and cloud printing. Compatible with flash print software, the Voxel is easy to set up and use, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists, beginners, and educational settings seeking a reliable and versatile 3D printing experience. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact and user-friendly FDM 3D printer designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. It boasts a build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 mm and offers impressive features such as multicolor printing with the optional AMS light system, high-speed printing capabilities up to 500 mm per second, and a fully automated calibration process that includes bed leveling and flow rate compensation. The printer operates quietly, maintaining noise levels below 48 dB, and is equipped with a 2.4-inch color touchscreen for intuitive control. Setup is straightforward, taking approximately 20 minutes, and the printer is compatible with various filaments including PLA, PETG, TPU, and PVA. The A1 Mini is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient 3D printing experience.